In today's lesson, we're going to learn about 10 important basic nouns to know in Arabic. Now, this is going to be part 1 of 2. In the next lesson, we're going to learn 10 more basic nouns to know in Arabic. Let's start with the first one. Number 1, house. In Shami is dar. In Fusha is also dar. Home. In Shami is bayt. In Fusha is bayt. Number 2, school. In Shami it's madrasi. In Fusha, madrasa. Number 3, university. Jama. In Shami, jamia. In Fusha. Number 4, how to say work or job. In Shami it's شغل. In Fusha it's عمل. Number 5, family. عيلي. That's Shami. And in Fusha, عائلة. Number 6, shop or supermarket. In Shami is supermarket. For shop, non-specific shop, you can say محل or دكاني. In Fusha, we say محل بقالة. Number 7, restaurant is مطعم. Same spelling, same pronunciation in both Shami and Fusha. The following words, English and Shami, are similar. Number 8 is taxi. In Shami is taxi. In Fusha, سيارة أجرة. Number 9, bus is bus. In Shami. In Fusha, it's حافلة. Number 10, train. You can say train in Shami or قطار. In Fusha, it's قطار.